Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a bit of unboxing on these goodies that I got from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. So let's take a peek. I don't know what's in the box. I did place the order, but you know, we forget what we order sometimes. So let's take a peek. All right. Fun. And I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box so I get this box off my workspace. But I got to tell you, they do an amazing job of packaging the paper so that it doesn't get damaged in the process of shipping. Now, one of the things I love about the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop is they include a free sample packet with your order. So I got this free sample packet here. And it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that are 4 1/4 by 11. That's what they look like they are. So I'm going to put that back in the little sleeve just so I remember to kind of maybe use these first because they're smaller pieces. And then I love this little note that gets included. It says, my hobbies include thinking about crafts, talking about crafts, buying crafts, planning life around crafts, dreaming about crafts, researching about crafts, and making pretty things with crafts. So true. Okay, so, one of the things I did order was, and I'm sorry for the glare, it's an assorted imperfect paper pack. And so what this is if they have any papers that are less than perfect, they don't discard them. They put them aside and make a pack. It's a variety pack. So you don't know for sure what you're going to get in that pack, but it's some fun goodies for sure. And by imperfect, I mean, for example, this one, I can see the imperfection because it got bent here on this corner. And so it's vellum, so you see the bend right there, which is not terrible. You can work around that. So let's see, I got the white vellum and this red vellum. Oh, I got this. Let's see, here's the imperfection on this green glitter. But it feels so soft and velvety actually for a glitter cardstock. So the green glitter. And then there's this foam. So it's white foam, perfect. Basil Basics paper, white foam. See, there's the imperfection. Alrighty, and then you get this one. It is a basil. Does it say the number on the name on here? Serenity Blue. Really pretty. So this one is a pink and it's a textured. I almost feel like it's one of their Encore papers. And I don't see an imperfection on here. Do you guys? Oh, it's good to me. I mean, these papers all look very usable. Here's a brown, really pretty textured, kind of a craftish color. And then this is like a deep blue, really deep, almost black. Some white. Here's a paper from Echo Park paper from the Be My Valentine collection. So, oh, I see, it's a bent just a little bit on the corners. So those are the imperfections. It's nothing glaring at you. It's nothing that you can't work around. So if you want to just kind of get an idea of the papers they have, that's a good way to start. They also have some sample packets or some variety packets you can order, and those are fun to start with too. Let's see, this one is another basil, and this is deep blue. And see, there's the bend. Oh, sorry about the glare, guys, but look at that. Shimmery, it's like a rose gold metallic, really pretty. And then here's shimmery black, what's it called? I can't think of it, but a shimmery black. And here's a silver, and it's like a brushed metallic look on there. And a gold with that same brushed look. Oh, look at this. This purple. Oh my goodness. And look at this holographic one. Such pretty. And this is the what do they call it? Let me see. It is called the Assorted Imperfect Paper Pack. So these are imperfect. And I mean, this is a shimmery white, a shimmery gold. Here's a white glitter. It looks like this one got dirty, but this would be great for die cuts. So you can work around that, or even matte layers. Oh, here's a chunkier glitter one. This one you can feel the glitter texture on. I like that, but it doesn't, let me see. Oh, it doesn't come off. Pretty good. And then this yellow glitter. And that's that Assorted Imperfect pack. So I'll set that aside. And then we have the variety pack. It's the Encore Wow No Shed Glitter. So there's 21 in here. Peek through these. Okay. Oh, look at these. They're so pretty. And really, they do feel velvety smooth, guys. But you can see the glitter on here. It's beautiful. So there's lots of colors. I like starting with variety packs because it gives me so many options on how to use these. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but I do have a video up on the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it in the description box so you can head over there and see what fun goodies I chose to use from these papers I got. But look at this red. I love this red. All right. And then a gold glitter. This is kind of a orangey copper. Very pretty. Like I have so many ideas in my head right now. A white glitter. You can see on there. Very pretty. And then a silver. I'll separate from what's underneath it. There's a black underneath. Very pretty papers. I am loving. I'm definitely going to be ordering more from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. And I'll put a link to the goodies that I ordered from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, just in case you want to take a peek, maybe get some for yourself. And it's not like I don't have enough paper, but really I don't have a lot of glitter paper, so this was a must. Look at these papers. Look at that purple lavender. So pretty. And guys, I gotta tell you, I'm becoming kind of a cardstock snob. So when I first started crafting, really the only cardstocks I had were the Recollections ones from Michaels. And don't get me wrong, those are fine, you know, if you're doing maybe some die cutting and layering and things of that nature. But if you really want some substantial cardstocks, I'm telling you right now, what they have in the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, oh, it's amazing. And I'm finding myself, I'll buy the Recollections still from time to time, but this is what I want. Oh my goodness. They're all so pretty. Like I can sit here and just look at all the pretty shiny things for hours on end. All right, let's take a peek. I'm almost done with this package. Now, this was, these goodies did get sent to me from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. And like I mentioned, I did a video, and it's on their channel, using some of the beautiful papers in here. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, then next I got a matte foil variety pack, and this has 18 in there. So let's open up this one. And I recently or previously purchased a variety pack of their Encore cardstock. And I gotta tell you, to get this out first. I gotta tell you, their Encore cardstock is amazing. And it cuts beautifully, guys. I used it not only for cutting using my paper trimmer and dies, but I used it on my Cricut and it just cut beautifully. No issues whatsoever. Look at this. So it's the shimmer's on the front and it's white on the back. But it's gorgeous. It's a matte foil, but I mean, I love it. Let's see the colors. And they also have, you may have seen Alicia use it, but they also have their own swatch books of their papers. So I think I might get some of those. And that way I know which ones I want to order, like a specific pack of that color, you know. So I think that'll be my next order with them, is those swatch books. Look at this. Love these. I love the matte foils. They just give a different look, a totally different look. And these colors, oh my goodness. Let's see. I don't have a listing of the names of these colors, guys. Oh, I wish I did. I'll try and look them up, but no guarantees on that because I just want to play. You know, when you get your box of goodies, you just want to sit down and play. Like even restraining myself to do this unboxing was a big deal because I just wanted to tear into that box and start looking through it and start playing. But I did. I restrained myself. I tore open the tape, but I didn't open it up. Look at this. So pretty. And there's different golds too. Look, I want to show you. So look at these. These are two different shades of gold. This is more like, I guess, a champagne. This is more of a yellow gold. Very pretty. Oh, look at this. Goodness gracious. Oh, gorgeous teal. Gorgeous. And then there's this pretty emerald green. And this blue. Oh, look at that blue. So pretty. Okay, and then, oh, this one I like. It has it. So I got the variety pack of the Encore holographic cardstock. So this has 9 in it. So it has the hollow stars, hollow stardust, rainbow, wavy blocks. I think that got mislabeled. Wavy blocks, snowflake, frosted window, dots, ice chips, and slanted light. So let's open it up. Now, it is holographic, so it's going to give us a glare. But you want to see them, right? I know I want to see them. Okay, let's set that aside, and let's take a peek. Oh, look at this one. That's the stars, and I'm sorry about that. I'm going to try and angle it so you don't have to see the reflection of my camera. So that's the stars. Pull these over here. Then this is probably stardust. They're just gorgeous. These. And I'm loving crafting with holographic paper too. Oh my gosh. Because you get that like rainbow effect, even though it's not rainbow paper, it's that holographic, so it picks up the colors surrounding it. Very, very pretty. I almost have a hard time cutting into holographic paper. But I'm getting better about just, you know what, if I bought it, it's because I liked it and it's pretty and I want to share the pretty with people that I send my cards to. So that is my new way of thinking, guys. Look at that. So pretty. So as you can see, I got lots of shimmery paper in this order. I got some matte foil paper, some glitter paper, and the holographic. And then I also got that pack of imperfect, which I think they're gorgeous. The imperfections are hard for me to see on most of them. The pack of the imperfect papers, the assorted pack, and then the little freebie that they sent. So lots of fun goodies to play with, you guys. Like I said, I'll link the video that's on the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop channel, but I'll also be doing some more card making or project making using these papers and putting it up on my channel probably later in the month. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.